it's Shriya. Welcome back to my channel. Did you hear that? I think I got a message. Let me check.
School starts tomorrow!
Oh, dear children, school will be taken up online, so please be ready with your books at 10 a.m. for class. Thanks for your cooperation. Happy learning. Just kidding. I really hope this was not your reaction to the news. Anyways, due to the ongoing pandemic, we have been entitled to our homes. So, home has become work, school, and most importantly, our boredom. Get it? Get it? Get it? Boredom. Boredom. Okay, I'll stop. Anyways, it sounds like a lazy person's dream. So I was talking to my friend the other day and she said, it's very hard to concentrate at home, Shriya. What should I do? If we went to school only, that would have been better. So I said, you need to find a quiet place. But I didn't quite elaborate it, so here's 3 steps to online classes.
Shriya tips.
First, find an empty room. If you need to kick out the people in the room for a while, then I guess you need to do what you need to do. Hey, stop kicking me, Ray. First, listen to what she's saying, no. And for those of you who take things literally, kick out doesn't mean to kick them. It means to ask them to go out for a while. So,
Do you have irritating siblings who won't leave you? Well, then, that's your problem. I can't help you.
anyways, the second step is to place the device on a desk. You don't want to hold it and show your chin to your classmates, do you?
This is not a flattering view. Yes, Shriya, that's much better.
And now we come to the last step. Step number 3 is to look good. You don't want to enter your online class looking like you just woke up, right? So why don't you comb your hair, take a bath, and then sit down for your class? And now that we've got that out of the way, it's time to join the class. And as soon as you enter the meeting, you see this. Good morning, children. How are you? Then the teacher goes on to tell everyone, you switch on the camera, dear, for a while. Switch on the camera for a while. You also switch on the camera for a while. Switch it on.
Switch on the camera for a while. Come on.
But as soon as the while is over, it goes back. And then there's that person who has their video on and keeps waving at everyone. And when the teacher's internet has a slight issue, they make it an opportunity to talk with their classmates. Ray, hi, I'm telling you, hi, Ray, tell hi. Hi. I'm telling you only, Ray, hi. Tell it. And then there's that person who doesn't mute their microphone and secrets are revealed.
This is stupid class, Ray. No, I didn't do homework. I'll say something and that lady will leave me.
Hey, the teacher not being able to slap them since obviously the distance, she asked them a question. Tell me, what is kinetic molecular theory, if you know it?
Just 1 second, ma'am. Yeah, just 1 second. Uh, yeah, kinetic molecular theory states that gas particles are in constant motion and exhibit perfectly elastic collisions. Kinetic molecular theory can be used to explain both Charles and Boyle's laws. Yeah, that's it, ma'am.
Me knowing the potential of my classmate says this. Are you Google? Sure sounds like it.
Busted!
This is why no one tells me anything. Then there's me switching off the camera, shouting the answers, and freaking out when people say the wrong answers.
Why don't you study before the class? I mean,
Then there's the late kids. The reason is usually the internet is unstable. Is Beta, why are you late? What happened? Sorry ma'am, my internet is unstable so I couldn't join early. But they say it all without a tiny little glitch, which means lie. Okay, moving on. There's that kid that tells all the answers right, which I envy of. But I'm pretty sure they're seeing from the textbook, right? Right? I don't want to look dumb, tell me. The most relieving heavenly moment comes after 1.5 hours of torture. Well, for me, it's torture because people don't study before attending the class and they give all the wrong answer, which irritates me so much. Anyways, it's time to leave the meeting. It's the awkwardest part because you don't know whether to say bye to your teacher or to say thank you, so you just mumble some stuff and hope that the teacher hears one of those words. Bye, thank you. Yeah, bye, ma'am, bye. Thank you. And oh, it's time for me to join a meeting, so thanks for watching. Bye.
Did you find the Easter eggs in the video? Also, comment if your classmates act like this. And which joke was your favorite? Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. Bye!